Hi, my name is JC Lemans, and today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard case and why I believe he should win the defamation case. Okay, so Johnny Depp and Amber Heard got married in February of 2015 and divorced just a month short of 2 years in January 2017. Amber Heard claimed that she was a victim of domestic violence while in her relationship with Johnny Depp in 2016. Amber Heard never named Johnny Depp, but she did an op-ed on gender-based violence, and she never stated Johnny's name, but the details she gave made it obvious that she was talking about him, and Johnny lost jobs due to this op-ed that she did. But he lost countless jobs. He was the one that pursued her from her group in his bed, but they're offending Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Paul Bettany, Vanessa Paradis, 2 kids with him, and that are tested on Elon Musk. Both cheated on in her. Receiving on social media is wild. Everyone is fighting for his justice. Depp has had a hard life. His mother was abusive. He suffered addiction issues for years, but he has been sober until his relationship with Amber Heard triggered a relapse. Amber Heard should have the same treatment that Johnny Depp got from Hollywood, losing her job, and there is a petition right now to take her off of the Aquaman 2 movie. And she should have to pay Johnny Depp the money that she cost him to lose by lying about being abused by him, and she should also possibly face jail time for these false accusations, something that all people that make the false accusations about domestic violence, sexual violence, false accusations over these type of things. It not only ruins the lives of the ones who are falsely accused, but takes away from the real victims and hurts the integrity of their claims. For instance, like, if all these people get away with making false accusations, then who's going to believe the real ones? They're just going to be like, oh, well, this person lied, why wouldn't they? And it takes away the credibility. And if you would like any more information, you can follow this trial on YouTube news channels if you want further information. Thank you for listening.